Guys, new growth here, and I've got a quick review of my new Leatherman Wave multi-tool that I got on the internet on Amazon, new one on Amazon. If you're not me, buy it in a shop, because it took about a week and a bit to be delivered. So, but it's brilliant and it got me. It's the Leatherman Wave multi-tool, and these are the best multi-tools you can get around. I got the black version. You can get it in silver, you know, plain metally colour, but I wanted the black version. You got a serrated blade, which is brilliant for cutting rope. Got a bit of baler twine here to show you. Pretty good for cutting that. And you got your saw, which is a good saw. It's only going to work on the pull stroke if you're sawing with it. And what's great about this is all the tools lock with a liner lock, which is where you push it sideways. It locked, and all the blades and stuff, they're outside accessible. And then you got your wood file and your diamond metal file, which closes with a liner lock. Then you got the main blade, which is brilliant main blade. Nice rounded tip. It's flat ground. It's made of 420 HC steel. It's 420 high carbon. Very sharp blade on that. Liner lock as well. And then you open it up. You got the pliers. You got the needle nose. You got this cap cutter, whatever they call it, thing. You got your normal pliers for your big bolts. And you got wire cutters, and then hard wire cutters. And then on the inside here you got the exchangeable screwdriver. I'll go into that in a minute. I'll show you how that works. And all these ones lock as well, which is good. That's what I like very much. Then you got the bottle opener combination can opener with a wire stripper. You've got a flathead screwdriver, and you got the scissors, which are good scissors. They fold over like that. And you got, I've done that one. Just gonna be hard to get out here. You got your kind of micro precision screwdriver, which also does the spot that it's interchangeable, which I will show you as well in a minute. These all lock with a back lock there. And that folds up, you know, just press it in, you got that. I got it with, I brought the leather pouch, which has the Leatherman logo, see? There's the multi-tool, an opened up multi-tool logo. It's good, nice. Got a nice leathery smell to it. It's got the belt loop on the back. And it's got a little nylon elastic little pocket here, so you could put, I don't know, something you want in there. And going back to these interchangeable screwdrivers, wherever they are, here. Going back to those, you've got, what they do is they have a Phillips head screwdriver and a flat head. They all swap over. And then I bought the bit kits. They call these their 2D bits because they're thin and flat like that. And I bought the bit kits, which, you know, you got all your different ones which go in like that. I've got 2 of those, and then you got 2M. And they just slot in there like that, and then unlock with the lock. If you open this up, you've got the micro screwdriver, position screwdriver, your little kind of glasses type screwdriver, which swaps over from a miniature firehead to a miniature Phillips. Mowing going on outside. These take a little while to get back in these. And yeah, they've got a swappable piece there. Just fold over. And yeah, got that. All the tools. It's the best multi-tool I think out of any multi-tool I have had. And yeah, that's it.